Let's get into it. 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger Lariat. Paint is in good condition. She has the 351 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Checking out the bed. She have a boom lift crane. Be a perfect truck for camping, hunting, fishing. Throw your rides back here. Interior's in good condition. Seat nice and clean. Check out that dash. Mileage reads a little over 32,000. Upper dash. Lower. She has the 351 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. power brakes, AC, power steering. Let's start her up. She fire right up. Make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. That's what I call running like a sewing machine, guys. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.